Hi everyone, Marion Emberson here, just sharing with you a nice, simple but effective Christmas card. Well, I think it is. Using Emma's Christmas florals from Julie Hickey and Julie's Christmas Joy die cut foilables. Now I love these, So I thought, right, I'll put the two together. I thought I'd use the deepest, darkest crimson from Wow Fab Foil, and I'm going to do it on the Wow cardstock. So I've made my 10th fold card, or it could go that way, don't really mind. Do it that way, don't know. And then a panel as well. So that actually reaches top to bottom, but it'll give me two nice little white edges. So I'll just pop that out the way. First of all, I am going to take this one because I really like this one. I might use this one as well. I'm not sure yet, not sure. Let me have a look see. Right, so I need a base to put it on. Okay, let's just put that there. I think I'll go with eucalyptus. Oh, do you know what, before I even do that, look, I go steaming away. Let me decide what I'm going to use out of here. Oh, look, got Christmas jumps out. See, these are just brilliant because you can just do these and they're just simple, done. Lovely. Right. Oh, look, so we've got a Happy Christmas. So I could do... Here she goes, here she goes. So we could go Happy Christmas. Actually, oh, it nearly fits in. Happy Christmas. If I was to do... I'm just thinking outside. Oh, that's nice as well. I think I've used this one before. That is just lovely. So even something just like that with it coming out. Oh, don't know. Hang on. Even a smaller one. Oh, look, little holly leaves. That as well, just the Happy Christmas there. Okay, I need to get my head around this. Oh, do you know what? Even just that there is lovely. And they can come off. I'm going to go for that, she thinks. And then I might have that. Right, okay. Sorry, because I never know what I'm going to do until I physically get product out and start playing with it. I know a lot of people work out exactly what they're going to do. They make one to start, you know, just to make sure it's going to work. I don't work like that. My brain doesn't allow me to work like that. Because I hate doing things twice if it's come out perfect the first time. I don't know why. Anyway, right, so let me... So I've got this deepest, darkest crimson. What other... I don't know. Right, okay, first of all, let's stamp this. Let's have a bit of eucalyptus. Nice bit of eucalyptus. We'll do it roughly coming off of there. And then I'll do another one coming off of there. And then, because that don't matter about that, because we're going to be covering that up. See, that looks lovely. And then let me take this off, pop that back. Now, is Hot Tub going to be too light? It might be. I might regret this. Like I do with everything. Right. Let's just go. Let's just come off of there with it. Oh, no, that's nice. Oh, those colours are lovely together. And then I'll come off of there as well. I'm not bothered that it goes over it, because like I say, some of it's going to be missing anyway. Oh, that's nice. Let me just show you. That looks lovely. And that's nice and subtle. Okay, So, pleased with that. Let me just put that back there. I want to do a bit of splattering before I go ahead with this. So I think I'll use hot tub again. Got a little paintbrush here. I'm gonna squidge it on the lid. There we go. So we get a bit of that colour on there. It's very, very pale hot tub, and it's going to be even paler once it's diluted with water. But I just want to get, so I've just got a really fine brush. Oh, they're nice little splatters. Perfect. Lovely. So move your card around. Don't leave your card in one place as you splatter. That does make a difference, because this will tend to be in the same place, if that makes sense. Let's just move it around. And splattering's great because you just get a little bit of definition on the background. And you know what? I might just do a little bit of eucalyptus splattering as well, because I'm in a splattering mood now. So I'll just grab a bit of that. This is darker, so just go gentle at first. Oh, that's nice. I often forget about splattering, and I love it. Right, stop, Marion, stop. Okay. I'm a nightmare. Love that. Look at that. Just looks nice. Even just like the sentiment going across there would look great. Anyway, let's grab me foilable. And I'm just going to take a bit of this. Let's just, I've got my little iron on next to me. I've got it on about 120-ish, something like that. It's just a little mini travel iron. So there's no steam on it. And then I'm going to put colour side up. I'll put a bit of parchment over the top and just press. And then go like so. If it isn't done, I can go back in and do a bit more. It really doesn't matter. But you don't want to peel it off straight away. Excuse my plaster, by the way. This is what you get for having grandchildren. So at the moment, I am wearing a chicken, a pig and a dog, I think. Or it might be a bunny. Or it might be a cat. I don't know. I can't even see and I've got my glasses on. But yeah, I didn't have any adult plasters in the house. So let's have a little look, see if this was enough. Like I say, I can go back in. Oh, that's nice. I can see some of it hasn't. Oh, do you know what? So that's given me an idea. So some of it's taken, and you can tell that by what's left on here. Yeah. So let me just find a bit more. Hang on. Okay, so I've got me some glitter gold. So let me just take a bit of this off. Same thing. Cut it out. And let's see if we can fill in those gaps. There we go. Let's pop that on there. I'm going to push it down nice and firmly. Go all over. Let it cool. You can feel the heat on there. So don't touch it. If you're doing this with children, don't let them touch it. And then let's have a little... Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. I'm just going to peel that. Oh, look, and then we've got this multi effect going on. Look at that. That just looks gorgeous. Lovely. So that's done the other side. So it's like we've got one side and the other side. So let's just take our little card now. Look at that. That's lovely. Oh, do you know what we could do? Right, okay, let me just turn this off. Right, I've just had another little idea. So let me just take my quickie glue pen and I'm just going to go in on a few of these dots. I'm hoping there's enough on here because it is running out. Let's just grab some of that. A couple of little dots here. So the quickie glue pen basically goes on blue and dries clear, and when it dries clear, that's when you know that it's tacky and you can use it on the fab foils. Let me just a little bit there. I think that's roughly it. I'll do a little bit there just in case I miss it. So we just need that to dry as such, so you can give it a little wave about, and we can reuse this piece. I'm so impatient. You'll know if it's not, because if you put it down, do that, and then pull it off and it doesn't take it, then that wasn't ready. So I need to put a bit more on there, and I need to learn to be a bit more patient. You'd think I'd know after all these years. Okay, I'll be patient. Okay, now I think I've just remembered something. Look, it doesn't like adhesives, only because it's the glitter gold. Glitter gold doesn't like adhesives. I remember that now. Doesn't mind heat, as you can see, it worked perfectly there. So I've got some little off-cut bits of gold, just the normal gold. So let me just rub those over. Perfect. That I probably took off with that. So let me just add a little bit more there. And then I'm just going to go round. Ah, that's better. Look at that. That's how it should work. But it's good to remember, or in my case, forget. And then remember. I've just got to try and remember where I went in and put the bits of glue now. But look, that's so much better, isn't it? Lovely. And then, did we have a little bit there? No. That's okay. So we were about that. Oh, look at that. Just so pretty. So, so pretty. Let's do a few little foam pads. Let's lift it up. There we go. And then I'm just going to adhere that to there. I might take, let's take a little bit off there. Take a tiddly bit off there. And then, there we go that way, because I've got a little dot on that bit. Who does that? That's nice and simple. I love it. And I could, if I wanted, I could do one of those little sentiments and pop that there, or just pop it. You know what I'm going to, and I. Right, turn your thing back on again, Marion. Won't be long. Right, I'll glue that down. Right, slow down, girl, slow down. I start off, I'm like, right, yeah, no, this is what I think I'm going to do. I've got an idea in my head. And it all starts off okay, and then I just add and add and add to it. Who does that? Or should I say, who else does that? So we may as well do gold. So let's just find, oh look, little Happy Chris artsy, look, straight away. Sometimes it just happens, doesn't it? So let's go Happy Christmas. We'll get a bit more gold, not one that's got bits of glue on it. So this is just the plain gold. I could do it in the sparkly gold again, but I might as well just use the plain gold. Stick that on there, I think. That got to temperature. We'll soon find out. It feels... Oh, I don't know if I got it in the right... I was doing it more over this side. Let's just do a little bit more there, just in case. So again, let it cool down. Oh, lovely. Look at that. I mean, look how tiny that is, and look how it's picked it up perfect. I just love it. Right, I think I'll do that flat rather than raised. Don't know why. But this is just perfect. So when you've got things like this in your stash, it just makes for really quick ideas. And these stamps actually, no offence, Emma, but to me, they work for Christmas and every day as well. And it is just little things like popping, I don't know whether I got a bit of that on there, popping these bits on, like making it a bit more Christmassy. Yeah, sort of doing the foil. See, there was bits I missed. That then tells it it's Christmas. But otherwise, it can just be used for every day. It's just beautiful. So I hope you like it. It wasn't as quick as I thought it would be. But I'm really pleased with how it's come out. So thanks ever so much for watching. Take care. Bye.